There existed a sports club near Naren's house where they wanted to set up a swing. The central pole for the swing was very heavy and the boys couldn't lift it. An English sailor standing nearby noticed their struggle and offered help. However, as they lifted the pole, it slipped from his grasp, striking him on the head. The sailor slumped into unconsciousness. In the wake of this freak accident, panic struck most boys, prompting a hasty retreat, except for Naren and a handful of his companions. Swiftly, Naren repurposed a segment of his dhoti into an impromptu bandage. Tenderly fanning the sailor and gently applying water to his forehead, Naren persisted until the sailor regained his consciousness. This episode attested to Naren's early embodiment of a service-oriented spirit.